What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete or remove payment methods from your Shopify store. So as you can see here, this is my Shopify store, and to go to the payment methods, simply click on settings and then click on payment. And since this is like a newly created account, I only have PayPal by default. Here you can add other payment methods. However, for the sake of this video, for the sake of simplicity, I'll just add a manual payment method here because it's easy to set up, so cash on delivery. Let's say here cash on delivery, and the payment instructions, pay the courier. Okay, so activate cash on delivery, and now that it's active here, if I want to delete it here, for example, let's click on edit, and I can edit here the details, or I have the option to deactivate the payment method. Now let's deactivate cash on delivery, and there it is, I deleted the cash on delivery. Now it's the same for any payment method here. If you search, for example, by provider, let's say to checkout, for example, okay, to checkout, you need to add or install an app here for this method. So click on install. It'll open up the app here on the App Store or on the App Marketplace for Shopify, allowing you to install the app. So click on install, and here you can edit or add the details for from your to checkout account here to link it. And the linking the payment method is the same as I showed you with the cash on delivery method.